Good morning, this is Jack from theartchart.net, and this is the pre-market recording for Monday the 4th of June. Our disclaimer, we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. We're not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's have a look at ES. Now, ES, obviously, we've got up to this is a very, very badly named pattern. This is a broadening formation, right-angled and descending. I'm trying to think of a better name. That's the one Bulkowski gave to it, and it's a rubbish name. Some sort of variant of megaphone. Anyway, for what it's worth, it has broken up. We are at main resistance, and we have main resistance is here. This is the open island top gap from the March high. There's another one above, which is this one here, but this is the main one to be concerned for the moment. We are in there, we are testing it, and we've not broken it yet. And obviously that needs to break today. We're having a very good try at it. I haven't currently got any negative divergence, but if we have another, if we beat the overnight high and then still fail under 51/2, then we could have a potential hard fail here. If that is the case, then I would be looking at the rising support here, which I've currently got in the 27.25 area. I do not want to see that crossed because it opens the possibility that we are heading back to support. But at the moment, this pattern is broken up. We don't normally see overthrows on this pattern, and I'm expecting this, as long as we can fill this gap, to be heading up to the 27.70 to 80 area at the minimum. And if we were to see the full target, I would have that approximately in the, I'd have that in the 2800 to 2805 area. That's a bit high for what we're looking at on this first move. It's not too high for later because what we're looking at is maybe 60 to 80 area, then a back test, and then higher. May well play out that way. So for the moment, we are testing resistance, and we've got no negative divergence, and we would like to see the breakthrough, the fill of that gap, and if we can fill that gap, which has been main resistance obviously for a month, then we can go higher, and the expectation is that we're going to do exactly that. NQ. NQ, pretty close to possible trendline resistance. This would be stronger trendline resistance if we'd actually hit trendline support, which was here. We didn't hit that. It may be that I need to redraw this from, if this was an IHS, it was mind-blowingly ugly, but it may be that I need to run this trend from here, in which case, maybe. So, I'm not treating this particularly serious resistance. For what it's worth, it's currently in the 71.30 area, and I will be keeping an eye on it. TF. TF has gone a bit higher. Obviously, we have a potential double top setup here. I'm not expecting that to deliver, but I am watching it. Weekly pivot obviously support at 1637. On the bigger picture, one reason I'm watching TF quite carefully here is that we've got possible daily sell signals brewing, and so it's something to keep an eye on. CL.